We're going to be working with the metric unit number line for this example. When we talk about units here in the middle, we're talking about meters, liters, or grams. Each of these little letters represents a prefix. So for example, D is equal to deci. And if we're talking about meters, then we're talking about decimeters. So let's start off with A. We've got 1 meter to whatever that might be in centimeters. Start off, circle where you're starting, okay? Because it's meters, we're going to start off at that point that we have labeled unit. From there, circle or at least underline where you're going to be ending. Since we're talking about cm or centimeters, we're going to underline the little c. From there, just count out how many places and what direction you have to go in order to convert from meters to centimeters. We have to go 2 places to the right. So if we have 1 meter, what we're going to consider is we're going to put in our implied decimal point right after that, throw in a couple of zeros, and we're going to move the decimal place 2 places right, just like what we did with the metric unit number line. In this case, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. For B, we're going to convert 2.3 liters to milliliters. So we're converting from liters to milliliters. Liters is a unit, circle that unit, and we're going to be converting to milliliters. This little m here is found right here on your metric unit number line. Okay, so we're going to count how many spaces in one direction. So it's 1, 2, and 3 spaces to the right. So 2.3, we're going to be moving that decimal place 3 to the right as well. So throw in some zeros. 1, 2, 3. So now 2.3 liters is equal to 2,300 milliliters. For the next one, we have 750 centimeters to whatever it might be in meters. Again, circle where you're starting, underline where you're ending, and figure out how many decimal places and what direction you're moving. So we're going to move 1, 2 to the left. So with 750, there's an implied decimal right at the very right of the number itself. You're going to move it 1, 2 to the left. So 750 centimeters is equal to 7.5 meters. Lastly, we have 72,350 milligrams, and we want to convert this to a certain number of kilograms. Milligrams is right here, and kilograms is right here. Same thing again, circle your start, underline your end, figure out how many spaces and in what direction you have to move in order to convert them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places to the right. So 72,350 milligrams, let's write that out. You got 72,350. Your decimal place is right there. We're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we need to throw in another 0 in order to make this work. 6. So 72,350 milligrams is equal to 0.07235 kilograms. Pretty small stuff.